The average hourly cost of running a CMM sits around $100 to $150 per hour. That cost never stops. When the machine is not inspecting, you still pay. Run the math with a one-piece grid plate. Changeovers happen while the CMM sits and waits. 1 CMM, 2 changeovers per shift, 1 hour per changeover. That's 2 hours per shift with zero inspection output. At $125 per hour, you lose $250 per shift. Run 2 shifts, that's $500 per day. Over 250 workdays, that's $125,000 per year spent on nothing. Now, change the process. With modular CMM fixture plates, fixtures are built offline. The granite stays empty. When inspection is ready, the full plate goes on. When the job ends, the full plate comes off. The swap takes seconds, not hours. Redo the math. 10-minute changeovers, 2 per shift. You recover 100 minutes of inspection time per shift. At $125 per hour, that's over $208 recovered per shift. That's roughly $100,000 per year in real inspection output. Less waiting, less bottleneck, more throughput. Profits are in the speed of the swap. Click the link below to book a demo with an inspection fixturing expert today.